Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Clockify for team project timesheets, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Clockify for team project timesheets, begin by visiting the Clockify website. Register for a new account or sign in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the Workspace tab located on the left sidebar. Click on Create a Workspace if you need a new one, or choose your existing workspace. Next, to invite team members, click on the Team tab. Select Invite members to send email invitations. Fill in the email addresses of your team members. Customize the invitation message if desired. Once complete, click on Send Invitations. Next, go back to the Team tab to see the list of invited and active members. Now it's time to set up projects for your team. Click on the Projects tab located on the sidebar. Select New Project. Enter the project name and set the project type. You can choose between billable, non-billable, or internal project types. Assign team members to the project by selecting their names. If necessary, set a project budget and deadlines. Once everything is in place, click Create Project to save your settings. To start tracking time, go to the Timers tab on the sidebar. Click on the Start button next to the appropriate project. Your team members can now log their working hours. They can also add descriptions to their time entries for clarity. To review timesheets, go to the Reports tab on the sidebar. Select the appropriate date range to view logged hours. You can further filter by project, member, or tag. After reviewing, export the timesheets in your preferred format. This process allows your team to efficiently track time and manage projects. You are now fully equipped to activate Clockify for your team project timesheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.